Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. All right, so today we're taking a look at screen removal on Weathershield double hung encasement. The double hung is going to be the same as the slider, by the way. Encasement will be the same as awning, depending on the screen you have, which we're going to explain in a second. So the first thing you want to do in a double hung is tilt it in. Okay. Hopefully you can see from over there, there's these spring-loaded clips. Basically pull them in, hold on to it, bring the top setch down if you need to, and then pull it in. Okay? So notice the spring. It's pretty simple. All right, so putting it back in is the same as we had to take it out, just reversing the process. You're going to hold on to it. Start with the bottom, okay? And basically holding these clips here, okay? Set your bottom in first, slide this down, and then pull the top in. And you're all set. Okay, one thing to note before we move on to the casement, the half screen on the double hung removes the same as the full. It's just a little easier because it's a half. This is their standard casement. This is available typically color matched to the hardware, or it's also available in a wood wrap, which would match the interior. So you're going to want to unlock this, get your mechanism to the downward position, use these clips, push up, and it comes right in, spring loaded on the top. To set it back in, put it into the track, hold your clips, push up, set it back in. That's very simple. The easiest one to remove, same for awning and casement. All right, now if you're getting a casement in a premium or contemporary series, there's two other types of screens. The first we're going to take a look at is the retractable. This one is not necessarily removable. I just wanted to mention it, how it works. So the screen housing is up on the top. You're going to use two hands, slide this all the way down. It's going to clip into place and then stay down, and then simply just pull it up and then it'll retract back up. Now if you happen to not have a crank out and you have a push out, this is a push out. This could also come with a wood hinge screen. The push out is also available with the retractable. If you're getting a crank out, the crank out could only come with a regular full screen or retractable, whereas the push out is retractable or in-swing wood frame screen. And push out does not have a crank, you just push it out, okay? The way this screen works is it's a flex screen, okay? So this is going to be flexible and basically just bringing it in like this and then taking it out. So if your screen ripped, you would not have to replace the whole wood frame. You could just get a new one of these. And put it back in, squeezing it in the middle, getting it set. Just line it up in the hole, and you're all set. And that's magnetic, so it won't fall out.